When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, welcome to Vlogoween. Right now, I'm planning on doing a video on Graveyard Girl and then a video here on banana peppers so that I will in fact be doing all of Vlogoween. But I'm kind of thinking that maybe a little bit of back and forth on both channels might be fun and refreshing. I'm not sure if I've ever done it like that before or not, but hey, we're gonna try it like that this year. Also, if you guys want some more behind the scenes Vlogoween fun, also some follow me around Halloween shopping adventures. I've also been playing Halloween trivia every day over on my daily Snapchat story. So follow me there if you want even more Vlogoween Halloween fun. Also, you guys, I've been sitting here for the longest time wondering why this dress felt so uncomfortable today. That's because, you guys, it's not a dress. Look at what I've done. I have this on and I was like, this kind of feels weird. Yeah, there's another leg hole over here. This is supposed to be like a little romper thing, I guess. But I just stuck both of my legs and my butt through a single leg hole. Today, you guys, we are doing an unboxing of 6 of the new Tokidoki Unicorno After Dark figures. These look like they are gonna be so cute, so fun for the Halloween season. I don't know if we've ever unboxed another Tokidoki full case. I think we've just been doing like a couple mystery figures here and there in some of my 50 pounds of mystery unboxing, stuff like that. But look at all of these cute Halloween options. So it's all the little unicornos in their little Halloween costumes. Although I have to say, I love the latte characters. Those are some of my favorite Tokidoki characters of all time. And I wish they would have made this little, almost like Frankenstein latte with his tongue sticking out. How adorable is that? So let's go ahead and get unboxing. I'm trying to think of who I want the most. Probably Vampire Corno, just because he's the vampire. You guys know how much I love Dracula's. But the pirate one is really cute too, as well as the Chaser figure, which is called Boo. I wonder what the odds are. I can't remember if Tokidoki... Guys, I feel like it's been like March or something since I've unboxed a Tokidoki figure. I got some that were so cute called Healthy Besties, and they're kind of like grocery store themed figures. But I don't remember if they tell you like the rarenesses or anything inside the packaging, like if we know how rare the Chase is. But let's figure out how to open it. Oh my gosh! Y'all, I swear I didn't even see this one on the box. He's like a big giant, not Venus flytrap. What's the character from Little Shop of Horrors? Isn't that what I'm thinking of? I'm about to say something silly. I've never seen that movie. Like, I know what it is. I know that it's like a carnivorous people-eating alien plant. Isn't that what it is? But I don't know. I've never seen it. We get stickers in every package. And here is the little booklet. That's something I like about the Tokidoki unboxings as well, is they give you like some little information if you guys want to pause it. And I'll open this again just in case you want to read it. But all the cute little Tokidoki characters, they have like different lore. They have like a story that goes with them. This guy is called Chomper. That's so cute. Yeah, he definitely did not stick out to me on the packaging for some reason. Also, you guys, I know that this is gonna sound maybe a little weird. I remember saying this all the time too, though, when I would open like Jeffrey Campbell shoes. All the Jeffrey Campbell shoes I ever unboxed, they all had the same, I almost said flavor, they all had the same smell. And I always love that smell. And I swear like these vinyl collectibles, like they have like a signature scent as well. And I love it. Maybe it's just because I've been collecting them forever. Oh my God. Okay, this one is like teeny tiny in comparison. But yeah, I don't know if it's just because I've been like collecting them for so long that like the scent has some nostalgia factor for me. What is this one? You guys, I swear, it's like I had no idea what the options were. This is so cool. I've always loved the vinyl figures that are clear, have like see-through transparent elements, and I love eyeballs. And so the fact that this is like a combination, oh my God, you guys, I didn't know what this is. It's eye drops. I'm pretty sure that's like what is rubber banded around this little unicorno. I was like, at first I thought it was like a rocket or something, like an alien kind of theme. But then I was like, okay, it looks like a blue liquid. What blue liquid in a tube goes with eyeballs? Eye drops. That's so cute. Okay, another sticker, of course. And this one is called Bloodshot. You guys, I literally read Bloodshot on the packaging and I was like, what is that? I don't know. I do love that about the Tokidoki ones. You can't like accidentally reveal to yourself through the little paper pamphlets what you've unboxed. So that's good as well, that you can't accidentally do that. That's one of the only things that I like a little bit less about some of the other figures like Pop Mart or whatever. Like, I don't wanna know what's in it before I open the little envelope. You know what I mean? But what is this? Oh, she's... Oh, wait, you guys, I swear I looked at the box. I swear I did. This one's called Lovecraft, but I guess like when I saw it on the box, I was like, oh, it's a witch, like cute. You know, you expect to see that for Halloween. It's like a special love spell witch. Look at this potion bottle full of pink potion, the adorable little heart with wings, and this cute little, like Grim Reaper. I can't remember his actual name. Look at the little necklace. Y'all, these are too cute. Yeah, I don't remember what like the little Grim Reaper character name is. But I know it's not Grim Reaper, but I like that it's like a little skeleton Cupid. That must be what my Cupid looks like. Lovecraft. I think I told you guys the name already. Ah! All right, box number, is this box number 4 already? So y'all have to let me know. Do you know what you're gonna be for Halloween yet? I'm thinking about several different things. I found a giant croc shoe. It's like a hat. It's like a giant, so you can be a croc. And I'm kind of thinking about that just because I feel like that would be like really silly, really funny. I'm also thinking about wearing my Mickey's Not So Scary costume again. I always love to wear that one. And it seems like there was something else I was thinking about too. Oh, you guys, it's the vampire one. Oh my gosh. I think the little tiny vampire is inside because he looks like he opens up. Yes. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay. I'm trying to not break it because... okay, it does actually come apart. I didn't know if it just like lifted and twisted or if it actually like, but it does actually, but look at this. One side of the little unicorno coffin is actually red velvet. It's like, I'm like, it's actually fuzzy. It's like velvet. And then look at the cute little unicorn Dracula inside. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. So adorable. And I like that he looks so sleepy. Y'all have to let me know. Did any of y'all see the recent new vampire movie that came out like maybe 2 months ago? It's like about when he's crossing the ocean. Y'all, I can't put him back in. There we go. I literally can't even remember what the movie is called, but I was really tempted to watch that, but I have not watched it yet. He's called Unicorno. Y'all let me know if y'all have seen that. I feel like I hesitate. I know it's gonna sound silly. I love like true ghost stories, you know, like when people are telling their true ghost stories and stuff. I like things that are more like horror, but in the documentary kind of genre. I very rarely like actual horror movies. I feel like I like a lot of the classic stuff, like Vincent Price. amazing. Love it. But like modern horror movies, not so much, except for like Halloween. I feel like I'll always love that one. And a selection of some M. Night Shyamalan movies, but not all of them. And let me think if there's like anything else modern, but like Saw, oh my God, no, I could never. I like just the previews for that movie. I'm like, oh my God, you know, I don't know. Probably lots of people don't agree with me because aren't they on like Saw 10 now or something? Saw 11? Like, obviously they're popular. Obviously most people don't agree with me, but I don't know. It's just something about it. Like I can't get into it. You guys, oh, the pirate. Look at that. He has a hook in his little ear. That's so cute. I also love the clear element. Like I had no idea that he was gonna be like transparent, translucent, maybe glow in the dark, but that's so cute. He also has a little necklace as well. That's like a little skull and crossbones thing. I would wear that. Wait, do they all have necklaces? No, I'm like literally just now second thinking that, but no. Just two of them. Just the two necklaces I have noticed. You guys, why am I sincerely flipping through this book every time? Oh yeah, to discover their names. Dead Hook. Yes. All right, you guys, last box of the day. And we're still missing like three of them? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 4 of them. So I guess that answers my question. Like you're not gonna get them all in one box. So definitely the chaser could be like a mega chaser. Right, let's see. Oh, he's like a voodoo doll. Oh my gosh, I love the hat. I love the button eyes. Y'all, I feel like it's obvious probably through my surprise and shock in today's video. The illustrations on the side of the box, I feel like really do not do them justice for how like detailed and really cool they are. Why did I sincerely show you guys the same sticker like 6 times over? That's definitely something I would do. He is called Voodoo. They wanted to keep it sweet and simple with this one, you guys, but I love the feathers in the hat. I love the little pins. I mean, it's all super, super detailed, super, super cute. Love it. Well, you guys, that is it for today's video, and I'm sure we're gonna have several more unboxings, I would imagine. We're definitely gonna finish the Witch House series finally, the remint ones that I think we started unboxing years ago. And I'm trying to think of anything else that I know for sure is a Halloween related unboxing, but I can't think of what that is right now. Maybe like a Reborn or something I have that is creepy as well. Guys, it's like 2 in the morning and I'm like racking my brain as to like what do I have upcoming this month. But yeah, lots of fun stuff, so stick around, and I hope you guys are excited for the season, excited for Vlogoween. But thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will be back very, very soon. Bye!